Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you how to install case on your Apple Watch. I bought this case to protect my Apple Watch SE from scratches or any damage. Let's open the box. Here you can see that inside you will get these wet wipes and dry wipes and a case. Here is a case. First let's open the wet wipes and clean the display of Apple Watch. After that open the dry wipes, and after that clean the Apple Watch with dry wipes. Here is a hard case. I bought the hard case. Here you can see that at the back you can see that there is a sticker. You need to remove the sticker to remove the mask from the screen guard. Here you can see that. If you can see, you can remove the mask of this. Here is a mask. Check the cutouts and insert the screen guard. Here you can see that it is pretty simple to install the screen guard. There is a mask on the top also, if you can see properly. Let's remove it. This is how the Apple Watch looks after installing the case. Here you can see that the cutouts are perfect. You need to check the model and you need to order the case. Previously also I used the same case. Here you can see that when I fell down, only the case was damaged, not the display. So I bought the same case again. So that's it guys. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.